Fabulous Victoria, and I'm back with another video. Now guys, I know what you guys are probably thinking. Today we can't even see your face, like what is going on? So I'm pretty much going to explain it to you guys. So for the most part today I will be doing like a little manicure type video. But the main purpose of this is because I was given this product for free by a company and they wanted me to test it out and then also send a review on Amazon. And of course I was going to take that opportunity to do it. Now this company offered me one of 3 different items. The items that they offered was either the buffer tool that I'm going to be using for today, and I'll have everything in the description box down below so you can see all of the items and things that they do have. But it was pretty much either this little electric drill thing that they have to offer, a nose trimmer, or a eyelash curler, a heated eyelash curler. So they gave me one of those 3 different items to choose from, and I chose this nail buffer because I thought that this looked pretty cool and I wanted to test it out. So they want me to test it out and give my honest opinion on it, so I thought that I would go ahead and film it for you guys, as well as unbox it and everything for you guys as well, and give it a little bit of a review. So the items that I do have here is the nail buffer here itself, some not acetone, but nail polish remover, which I don't have any nail polish remover on. It's just this is good to use to wipe any excess oils and things off as well, so I'm going to use that. And some cotton balls to kind of use with the nail polish remover. So one thing that I am going to do after maybe is possibly oil my cuticles or put some sort of moisturizing on them, so then that way everything is all good when it comes to that as well. So before we get into the product itself, it says here that the product comes with 3 professional manicure tools, makes your nails beautiful and appealing. It's a built-in compartment convenient for storing all attachments, pen-sized, handy, workable, and portable, operated on 1 AAA battery, which is not included. And luckily I have AAA batteries, so I'm not even worried about that, so I'm cool with all that. And then they have the directions on how to use this as well, and it says it is a 3-in-1 electric micro nail polisher. So let me go ahead and open it up for you guys. So immediately this is how it comes. Here is the little instructions manual. It comes with an emery tool and a Lundum tool and a wooden tool. So that's pretty cool. I'm guessing this is everything here. And like they said, it is pen sized, which it is, I already can tell. And this is like a little clipping, I'm guessing, to put this on. So that's what it's looking like. That's really cool. I like that. So I'm not seeing all of the different tools that it's supposed to come with. So let me see how they say that you're supposed to remove it. Okay, guys, with all that struggle, I finally got it off, and it actually wasn't that hard. It's just, oh my gosh, that was tough for the first timing. Okay, but there it is. So that's how you take it off. Okay, and the good thing is this part, you can always put the thing back in there like that. So let me go ahead and get a AAA battery and then I will be right back. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and take this part off again and add our AA or AAA battery. make sure that I'm putting it in correctly. And I'm going to also take out these portions down here. So we just already have them out, so we don't have to keep removing them. So it says how to use. Select the tool you want, insert it into the main body. The emery tool is used to smooth the rough grain on the nails. The alundum tool is to smooth the fine grain on the nails. And the wool tool is used to buff the nails for natural finish. Turn on the unit, push the switch upward to begin the manicure. Turn off the unit after use. Push the switch downward, put the attachments into built-in compartments and place the into built-in compartment and replace the upper tube. So the way that you would clean it is just clean the attachments with the brush or the tissue after use. If there is dirt in the main body, please clean it with a wet cloth or tissue. Do not wash it with water. Okay, so that is pretty much it on how to do everything. So yeah, that is pretty much what you do. I think I'm going to first use my nail polish remover and do that part first. And I don't really even have that much nail polish remover, honestly. That may have been the last little bit. So the way that I'm going to use this, guys, is I'm going to start with the wool tool, then I'm going to go in with the alundum, then after that I'm going to go in with the emery. Alright guys, so this is my third time trying to film this, and I'm going to try to do this again, so hopefully I don't run out of fingers, okay? So I'm going to be working on the middle finger because I've done the thumb and the index finger before and the camera shut off. So I'm gonna hope that this time around the camera does not shut off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work with the first tool, which is the wool tool. That's the order that I've been going in. So I'm gonna go ahead and work with the wool tool and just start buffing. So this is how my nail looks after buffing. So you guys can see that's the difference between both the middle fingers. Now we're gonna go ahead and put on the alundum tool. So that's the side by side of the middle fingers with the aluminum tool. Now we're going to go ahead and put on the buff tool. And that's how it looks after buffing. Now guys, I do see a significant difference in my fingernails. I see that, you know, one looks a lot more shiny, one looks a lot more healthy looking, and it does look more smoothed out compared to this side. So I don't know, that's just me looking at it. I'm definitely going to take some pictures of it so you guys can also see it, but for the most part I can definitely see a significant change. So my overall opinions of this product, if we should stash it or trash it, I honestly think that this is a stash simply because it is very, very small and compact. It's easy enough for you to put this in your purse, and it's very small enough for you to really work with and everything. One thing that I must say is that I do like that the compartments come in the inside of it as well, so you don't easily lose them. I wish that it was maybe like chargeable so you don't have to waste money on batteries. That's probably the only one thing that I don't like. I thought that at first it was hard to take out, but I was just opening it wrong. But for the most part, it is easy to open, easy to use. I feel like even if you are a novice to manicuring, this would be perfect for you. I feel like it just gives you that really smooth application after buffing and things with your nails. So that's also really good with this product. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and if you guys would like to purchase the items from this company. One thing that I am going to do is I'm also going to put down the other products that they had that they were going to offer me. I'm going to also put those products down in the description box down below, because even though I didn't find them useful, maybe you guys would find them useful and you guys can try those products out yourselves. Also, I want to point out that my storefront is also have some items and everything on there. So I'm going to also leave my storefront in the description box down below. So make sure you guys definitely go check that out. I have tons of really cool and cute items on there for women, men, children, you name it, there is an item for you guys. So definitely go look that out. And those items, as well as this item, is one good item that you guys could use for Christmas, which is, you know, what December is, you know, for some people mainly about. So yeah, you know, that's also a win. So, and this item wasn't even that expensive. I think it was only like $9 or $7 or something like that. So it wasn't even that expensive, and I was able to at least buff at least these 3 of my nails and get them to look all cute and stuff. So yeah, it's definitely a plus for me. But guys, that is pretty much the end of this video. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be in the description box down below, as well as in the outro, and they'll be here on the screen. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!